Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can simply add Facebook reviews for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below on the description of the video you're watching right now and click on the link in the description. You will get on a site called lsite.com, and lsite is a good company with a lot of widgets to use, and one of them is Facebook reviews, as you can see here. Just click here, sign up for free, create an account through the Gmail, and when you will have it, then just log in. Now you will be in applications, and let's just manage this one here. I will just remove it. Click on applications. Now just write here Facebook, and let's wait. Facebook reviews, create a widget. First, you have options to go with the normal one or with the grid. You really choose which one you like. I will just choose this one, reviews widget, continue with the template. Now you just connect to Facebook with your account. That's really simple. I will just leave this one here for just showcase. Now with the layout, you can choose between list, masonry, slider, just what is up to you. Then you got list settings, how many previews per page, and review. So bubble or spotlight, I recommend classic. So now when we have it, and you can change the colors. Just click save, and first you have option to choose light plan. I recommend going with the light and test it out if you like it, and then you can upgrade it to basic, or you can get all apps, like 70 of them, a lot of good applications for $15 a month. So when we have a code, let's just come here, let's click on build, let's add the code here, okay. And then just click here, edit custom HTML, and let's wait. And voila, you get really good Facebook reviews here. Also, you can paste a little bit to the middle if you want. It's really up to you, but this is how you can actually edit. This is how you can add Facebook reviews. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, guys. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, of course, this is like the basic pack I recommend, like 73 applications for $15 a month. And you got so many apps here that you could choose and you could use for your site. Check it out. I think it's worth it, and I think you will like many of them. Like Instagram feed, Twitter feed, chat, YouTube gallery, so many. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. You know how it works. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.